Hi guys, we're in my garage. I'll tell you where this goes in a minute, but at the moment we're measuring across the two live legs, the live and the neutral, and as you can see we got 46 kilo ohms there. Shouldn't be anything there, 46 kilo ohms. Right, what are we actually measuring? Well, that lead goes up there, over the top, down that side, to there. If I just switch that off, you see the 40k has disappeared. Switch that back on again. Right, where does that go? That goes down. Comes out just there, goes down under the pavias, along here, to where you'll see I've been digging it out. It then comes on the surface, runs along the fence, and ends up here. Originally, the previous house owner had a fish pond here with lights over it and a power socket. We've done away with them years ago. In fact, 16 years ago. But I kept the cable, put a proper up-to-date connector on it, because it did have one on there that was okay, but it was old. So I had a new one on there, and that worked fine for several years. And then, I think it was last year, the fuses started blowing in the house, or at least the trip. And yeah, I traced it down. It's that cable. And as you can see, I've got it disconnected at that end, so it is actually within the cable length somewhere. So I've just started digging here, which is where we're up to. And I got a fair idea. The problem might be right there. I don't know. Because there appears to be tape wrapped round. So we might have a very basic repair been done there. Maybe they chopped through the cable at some time or other and just wrap some tape around it. We'll find out in a minute, so I'll unwrap that and have a look. Well, that's really disappointing. That was a red herring. I've no idea why that bit of tape was on there, but it wasn't doing anything. There is nothing hidden behind it. There's no damage to the sheathing at that point. So that's a shame. I was really hoping I'd found it really quickly and easily. There's no obvious damage anywhere along there. And I'm pretty sure it's actually sheathed cable anyway. Got the protective, what's it around it? Yeah. The wire wrap around it, around the outside. Okay, we're going to have to dig a bit more then. The only other thing that's happened is we've had the fence replaced, but I don't think it happened at the same time as the fence was replaced. I mean, it's just possible this runs along there, and where they've put the new fence posts in, they might have caught it. Don't know, because I don't know the route of the cable. That was done by our previous house owner, not us. Well, I managed to get the rocks out that were on top of it, but that's absolutely fine, that bit of cable there, right down where it went underneath. At least I can see the route it's taking now. It comes out under here, which I think is a later addition. I suspect this might even have been a flower border at some time that they paved over, because they had dogs, and I think they let the dogs play here, and then there was actually a fence across just here to stop the dogs getting on the garden when they weren't supposed to be. I think that's the way round. It could even have been the other way round. It could have been they had the dogs on the garden and they stopped them coming up here. Don't know. That was before our time. Anyway, at this moment, no progress. Well, bigger hole, but no progress with the cable. I've also tried wiggling the cable and watching the meter at the same time, just to see if it makes any difference just in that area, because that would indicate that that's where there was a break in the conductors, or connection in the conductors to be more exact, because it's the two legs going together. Just in case you're wondering, I had already disconnected it at this end to make sure it was nothing going in towards the shed. So yeah, we're still getting about 40k across the live and neutral. So yeah, gonna have to make a decision whether we just abandon it, which is what I'd already done, but being as it was a nice sunny day, I thought I'd have a little look at it. Abandon it or dig it all up and put new in. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.